affiliate marketing's too hard. Amazon FBA is too expensive. Okay, whoa. Stuff gets really heated when you have Amazon FBA and affiliate marketing battle, but let's go into it. I'm gonna break up the fighting and let's just assess the facts. So the facts are that Amazon FBA has been around for about 10 years, okay? As long as Amazon's allowed other sellers. And affiliate marketing has been around about 25 years. So affiliate marketing's been around since basically the beginning of the commercial internet. It started, just to give you an idea, affiliate marketing started with webcam and porn sites. So affiliate marketing is always kind of, and actually any commission-only sales-related stuff on the internet has always had, the phrase been led by the porn sites. That's where they need people to advertise them. It's harder to get into that. The next thing to understand is that the profit margin in Amazon FBA versus affiliate marketing is a little bit different. Is that the profit margins on Amazon are slightly smaller because you're dealing with physical product. You have to have business systems as a Amazon FBA seller. You're buying products. It's a physical product that you actually have to manufacture in China. So oftentimes, on average, and I'm not saying this always has to be the case in either of these cases, but generally speaking, you see lower margins in Amazon FBA, about 30%, whereas in affiliate marketing, generally you're seeing higher margins of 50%. But that being said, these can go up and these can go down. Both of them can change a lot. But you don't want to just look at profit margin alone when deciding on a business model, and I'll get deeper into that in a little bit. Okay, what are the costs to get started, right? Is what you're thinking. How much money do I have to spend to really get into the business model? Now, I have a good idea of both because I have lots of friends who have tried out both businesses, and this is what it is. If you're starting an Amazon FBA business, you're going to spend about $5,000 to $10,000 to get started, and that's because to start an Amazon FBA business, you have to buy the inventory first before you can sell it. You need to buy the inventory and you need to send it to Amazon's warehouses in Tennessee. Okay, so that means you're gonna have to spend money. You're gonna have to spend freight. You're gonna have to do different documents, regulatory documents if you're buying from overseas, which oftentimes people are buying products from China or India to sell here in the United States. So you need some extra money and capital to get started. Minimum 5 to 10K. Now some people will say they have a way you could get started with nothing or blah, blah, blah. But a lot of that is just that, words. Affiliate marketing, you can get started for $1,000 to $2,000. Now that's the most realistic place to get started. Now, sure, you can actually start affiliate marketing for nothing, right? You could just join an affiliate network and post links. But I advise people, and I think the most realistic place to be is to have $1,000 to $2,000 to actually invest in, whether it is training or a website or advertising or software tools to really give you the setup to allow yourself to have a competitive edge and win at this business of affiliate marketing. If you're an Amazon seller, yes, you need customer service. Okay, if somebody calls in about your product, Amazon needs you to have a business address they can ship returns to. Amazon requires you to have a phone number that people can call in on if they have an issue with their order. So you need some sort of customer service. Now, if you're trying to run a backpack business, right, and travel the world and be a digital nomad, that makes it a little more difficult. Sure, you can have some sort of answering service, but it gets a little tricky when you're dealing with packages and angry customers. And if you start getting chargebacks, Amazon will shut you down in an instant, which is the difficult thing about running an Amazon business. Whereas affiliate marketing, you need no customer service. Again, you're just linking people to another company's product. So you really don't need any customer service. You're just essentially a commission-only salesperson for the companies you're working with. Okay, now INV stands for inventory, and do you need inventory? And as an Amazon marketer or Amazon FBA, Yes, you need inventory. You are actually selling physical goods to people. They're being shipped out. Now, inventory sucks, right? You have to order more of it. You have to pay for it in advance. You might get bad products, especially if you're buying from places such as China or India. So there's difficulties to worry about there. Nobody likes inventory. Whereas affiliate marketing, you don't have any inventory. You're just, again, posting links and selling other people's products for them. It's really easy. You're just a middleman. You're just a marketer. That's it. Your job is just marketing, not running a business, just marketing. Okay, now ads, some businesses you almost are required to run ads, and I'll talk a little bit about that later on. If you're doing consulting oftentimes, or if you're running a Shopify business, you're almost required to run ads if you want customers. Whereas on Amazon, you don't need to run ads. That's one of the positive aspects because you're on Amazon, for Christ's sake. Whereas as an affiliate marketer, I put yes and no. So a lot of affiliates, I advise people the best way to do affiliate marketing, I believe, is with ads. And I advise people to spend $100 on an ad campaign when they market a product. That's how I made millions of dollars, is spending money on ads and scaling that up. Spend money, spend money, spend money, spend money. I'd find a winner, right? I'd spend $100 on 10 different products. I'd wait for a winner and I'd scale that up to, I don't know, $10,000, $30,000 per day. So I'd just find something that wins and then I'd say, okay, I spent 100 to make 200. So I'd spend 100,000 to make 200,000, if that makes sense. And that's my money for the year. But a lot of affiliates, you don't need to do ads to be an affiliate marketer. In fact, I teach all sorts of different free traffic methods to do affiliate marketing on this channel. And you can see there should be a free traffic playlist somewhere around my head or on this video where you can learn more about how to do affiliate marketing for free by answering questions on Quora or putting up YouTube videos like this one or reposting YouTube videos like this one on other sites or writing a Facebook post. There's a million free ways you can do it, but I think ads are the best way. That's why I put the yes here. Okay, now the biggest pros of running an Amazon business, in my idea, is you're working with Amazon, okay? You get to piggyback off of Amazon's success. Amazon is one of the fastest growing companies in the world. It's one of the largest companies already in the world, and they're set to just completely take over e-commerce. They already own over 50% of the market, and I mean, who knows? They may become a monopoly, kind of like Google is, and own 90% of the market worldwide sometime soon. Who knows? But the point being, they're a huge success and they're rising up very quickly. So to be able to just be a part of that and just literally piggyback off of their success is a huge pro that is not to be underestimated. Now, the biggest pro with affiliate marketing is how flexible it is. You don't have to have customer service or support. You can do it anywhere you want. You can market any product you really want. A digital product, software products, services, lead generation companies, actual physical products. It doesn't really matter. You can market anything you are passionate about, which is one of the exciting things about it. And you don't really have to do any follow-up work. When you've made your money's good. You don't have to service customers. You don't have to talk to people. It's perfect business for introverts because there's so few moving pieces and it's very scalable. So you can just sit back, and both businesses are very scalable, mind you, but this one just requires, it's much more amenable to being a solopreneur like I am. Okay, now the biggest con of Amazon is, in my opinion, it would be the product life, is that when you list a product and when you find a winning product that you post on Amazon, competitors come in really fast. There's always people willing to just nickel and dime you down to your lowest possible margins because the suppliers are mainly based in China, and oftentimes there's people who can get better rates or produce lower quality items and get lower prices, whatever it is. But the product lifetime of listing a product on Amazon and finding a winner, it's oftentimes very short. You're gonna maybe make some money and maybe you'll list a new cool hat on Amazon and you start making $1,000 a day for a little period of time and you think, woohoo, I'm making $30,000 profit a month. But then those margins get eaten down to the point where, once again, you have 20 new competitors that are all selling the same product and you have little margins. And it's much more visible on Amazon. Amazon makes it much more accessible for people to compete against each other because, again, they don't really care about you as a product seller on Amazon. They care about the customer. So they encourage the competition of people to get down to the lowest possible margins because to you, you're expendable in Amazon. They just want the customers. Whereas affiliate marketing, the biggest con with affiliate marketing is it takes time. It takes a long time to learn. It's also, just like Amazon, it's a competitive area. But to get into affiliate marketing, you have to do a lot of trial and error. And oftentimes you're doing it alone. So people just, it takes people a lot of time to build up the confidence to even post a link. A lot of people never had to go to war. A lot of people out there sit in air-conditioned rooms and play on their cell phones all day and were told by their parents that they could have anything they wanted and they don't want to work. So a lot of people find it hard to actually post a link online, but you can. And you know what? Trial and error. It took me 4 years to actually quit my job and be full-time in affiliate marketing. It took me 3 years to make my first commissions in affiliate marketing. So that gives you a sense for it can take a long time to actually really figure it out. But if you just go at it and you're fearless, I'm an affiliate marketer, but my advice is be fearless. This is war. You're figuring stuff out. Don't be scared. Scared money doesn't make money. Go forth and prosper. So if you really enjoyed this video, I hope you learned a lot about the differences between Amazon and affiliate marketing. And type in the comments below which business model you favor, Amazon or affiliate marketing. Obviously, I'm biased. I'm an affiliate marketer. And if you look at the numbers, you have better things for affiliate marketing all across the board, right? So all down the board, it's better for affiliate marketing except for ads. I'm a big fan of it, but let me know what you're more interested in and why. And also make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I'm coming out with fire every single day of the week. So I'll talk to you soon. Peace.